Assalamu alaikum, how are you all? I think that all of you are well by the grace of Allah. Today I have come in front of you taking another new video which is very important for the HSC candidate 2022. And here you are noticing a stimulus which is written on my whiteboard, and you can see that there are two questions with a stimulus, and now I'm going to read out it, and after that I will solve it. Okay, frequency of sound is 1200 hertz. Air temperature is 30 degrees Celsius, and the distance between source and reflector, I mean S means source and R means reflector, is 18 meter. Okay, there is a wall, and now we'll have to detect the value of wavelength. I mean find the wavelength of sound. The question number is C. Okay, if you want to solve it, then you need some formula which is very prime need for sorting out for solving this mathematical problem. Okay, first of all, you can use V equal to 330 plus 0.6 into theta degrees Celsius. And here you will give or insert or put millisecond inverse 1 and V equal to F lambda and V1 by V2 equal to root over T1 by T2, G equal to Vt and 2t equal to Vt. It is specially for echo. Okay? You need to know some information which are also very important to solve these kinds of math. Number one, the duration of persistence of hearing a sound is equal to 0.1 second. Number two is the distance between source and reflector should be 16.6 meter to hear and echo. Okay, these are the important data and important information. Okay, we'll have to use them or utilize them for showing out or solving this math. Let me start out. Okay, find the wavelength of sound. We will write C. We know V equal to F lambda. Imply that lambda equal to V by F. We have frequency of sound 1200 hertz. We don't have velocity. We'll have to utilize the temperature to find out the value of velocity. So you can write them in the right side. You can utilize two formula. Only one is enough for using to find out the value of velocity. V equal to 330 plus 0.6, and here given temperature is 30 degrees Celsius. So we will have to utilize a calculator for counting. 333 plus 0.6 into 30 equal to 348 millisecond inverse 1. And we also can use V1 by V2 equal to root over T1 by T2. That means like that V1 equal to root over T1 by T2 into V2. So you can write V1 equal to root over. You will have to convert the temperature which is given in the question 30 degrees Celsius into Kelvin scale. So we know that if we add 273 Kelvin with the temperature, then it will be converted into Kelvin scale. Okay? So now we are going to add 273 plus 30 equal to, we'll get 303 or 303, I mean 303. And here the temperature T2 will be 0 degree Celsius means 200 73, so 273 into, and the V2 will be 330. Okay, this is the equation. So let me find out the value. 303 273 into 330. Okay, we got the value. 347.65. Both are almost same. Okay? You can use only one for anything. Okay. Here, F equal to 1200 or 1200 hertz, and they require lambda from us. Lambda equal to what? Okay. Further insert these data into the equation, then you will get the value of lambda. Here, 347.65. I'm using the second one, so you need not to be worried about that. You can use any one from them. So 347.65, and F is 1200 hertz. So that means 347.65 divided by 1200, 1200 equal to, we'll get 0.28 meter. So this is the answer of lambda. This is the answer of C question. Okay? Thank you. Now, the next one is D. The next one is D. Is it possible to hear echo at position of S? Verify the mathematical logics. Okay, I'm going to shout out it, so let's stay with me. Number D. We know 2D equal to Vt. Why have I used this equation? Because it's the equation of echo. It's the equation of echo. So we'll have to find out this equation for detecting the value of D or T. Okay, you can solve it in two ways. Number one is original, and number two is alternating method. So you can use any one for showing out. Okay, that implies that D equal to Vt by 2. And now let me write, and now let me bisect the formula. Okay, here V has been found from the data is 347.65. We got it from the another mathematical term of the equation which has been utilized in C, and T equal to 0.1 second. I think that you have a question about this value. You are questioning yourself that where have I got this? Yes. Now let me clarify this. The dimension of persistence of hearing a sound is 0.1 second. So we can utilize this. Clear? Okay. G equal to what? So we can insert them or input them. 347.65 by into 0.1 by 2. So let me count it. 347.65 into 0.1 divided by 2. Okay, we got it. 17.38 meter. If we want to hear the echo, then we need the distance is 17.38 meter. But we have 18 meter. So we can hear the echo. Okay? So it is possible to hear the echo. Okay. You can use the alternative process also. So I'm going to solve in alternating method. Okay? So this is the alternative. The same equation or same formula, T equals to Vt. Here we will detect the value of T. So 2D by V. Here. here 2 into d is given 18 meter, so we can write 18 meter, and v is 347.65 meter second inverse 1. So write our input in the equation 347.65 2 into 18. So let me count it. 2 into 18 divided by 347.65 equal to 0.103 seconds. We know the duration of persistence of time of hearing a sound is 0.1 second. I mean t equal to 0.1 second. So it is greater than this. So we can write it is possible. Okay, thank you. I think that you have understood it with a better manner. So it is a great honor for me to stay with me. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum to you all.